Good morning, December 3rd, 2016. This is John from Betty Nick's. Got bait everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Bunker right on the beach here. I can see pods of bunker. Big black spots right there. Birds working on them out. And I don't know if it's just birds working or fish busting here on 9th Avenue. Got this guy giving it a shot here. You know, to be honest with you, I don't even know what the tide is, but I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if this is just happy bunker or there's fish in them. Well, I mean, I don't think I have much else to say. You got a perfect day, nice and crisp, not too cold, northwest, flat, bunker everywhere. There's got to be some fish in them. Birds working. This is right in Seaside Park. Peace.